Hey guys, we're back again today, trying our luck. And today we have $9 because I have a crossword and I like to take my time doing them. So we have a winner chicken dinner. We have the king crossword and a 7-Eleven 21, which is what we're starting with. You add all three numbers for each game. You add all three numbers in each game. If the total is 7, 11, or 21, you win the prize shown. All three games are played separately, and the odds are 1 in 4.79. Zoom on in here. Use our Scratch and Mama dog tag, available in 8 different colors for $5 each. We have a 6, a 13, and a 4 is not a win. 6, 9, and a 6 is a win. Right, 12. A 2, a 2, and a 3 is also a win. Alright, so we have 2 wins on this ticket. Let's see what we got. Wow, $10 there. $15, guys. We are already in profit. As long as my math is mathing and I did that right. But I do believe so. That is very nice. All right. Gonna move on to the winner chicken dinner. It is a match and win. The eggs are double, the chicken's 5 times, and the trophy is all 15 prizes. On the back, there is the buttermilk biscuit bonus. We need a stick of butter, which I have not been able to find. And the odds are 1 in 3.91. We're going to start on the back here. We're going to use our friend Foo Scratcher's coin. See if you can see that. All right, let's look for that butter. I have a cat, a sheep, a barrel, the barn, a dog, and the tractor. Still no butter for my biscuits. All right, our clucky numbers are 24, 13, 25, and 9. We have 11, 31, 8 is 1 off, 4, 35, 28, 27, 34, 2, 32, 38, 37, 18, 7, and 14 is 1 off. So no chicken dinner for us. But we're going to do the king crossword. We scratch our letters here. We make words down here. We need at least 3 words to win. Words with a crown are triple. And the odds are 1 in 3.73. We're going to zoom in a little bit here. Let's put Mama over here. T and L. All right. C and B. S and O. G and U. Z and X. Actually, I have two X's. V and I. H and Y. F and P. F and P. A. All right, last letter is an R. I have one word, two words, but I think the two words is all we got. So that is nothing. But that's all right. I'll scan it. If I find something, I'll let you know. Otherwise, we still made profit because we played $9. We got back 15. So, if you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I post every day at 11 a.m. Central. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.